Need to create lesson introductions, course updates, or learning materials for your students? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use the online webcam recorder to record a professional educational video using your webcam and microphone.
So let's start recording.
Before recording, prepare the lesson or presentation you want to discuss. Having your materials ready before you start recording helps you stay organized and deliver your lesson more naturally. Next, let's configure the recording resources. First, enable screen if you'll be presenting a lesson, slides, or notes. Then, turn on the webcam so students can see you while you explain the material. Finally, select the microphone you'll use to capture your voice clearly throughout the lesson. Click Start Recording to continue. Next, choose Entire Screen when prompted to select what you would like to share. This ensures that both your lesson materials and the webcam overlay appear in the recording, giving students a better viewing experience by allowing them to see both the presentation and the instructor at the same time. After confirming the screen sharing permission, click the Share button and the recording will begin. Once the Stop Sharing toolbar appears on your screen, it means the recording has started. To keep your presentation clean and distraction-free, click Hide to minimize the toolbar. With the controls hidden, your slides remain the focus of the recording, while the webcam overlay stays visible. You can now begin presenting your lesson. Speak clearly, maintain eye contact with the webcam when explaining important points, and move through your slides at a comfortable pace so students have enough time to follow along. When you've finished your lesson, go back to the online webcam recorder and click Stop Recording. The recorder will process your video and automatically open the preview page so you can review the recording before saving it. Before downloading, take a moment to review your recording. Check that the webcam video is clear, your voice is easy to understand, and the presentation appears correctly throughout the lesson.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we are embark on an extraordinary journey into a science that is quite literally all around us and inside of us.
If everything looks good, click Download as MP4 button to save the recording to your computer. The finished video can be uploaded to your learning platform, shared with students who missed the lesson, or added to your course materials so it can be viewed anytime.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we are embark on an extraordinary journey into a science that is quite literally all around us and inside of us. Welcome to Unlocking the Secrets of Life. Whether you are looking at the massive ecosystems of our oceans or the tiny microscopic strands of code inside your own cells, biology is the ultimate manual for how our world functions.
And that's how to create an educational webcam recording using online webcam recorder. With your webcam, microphone, and lesson materials set up, you can create engaging educational videos that students can watch anytime and learn from at their own pace. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.